Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. Today is a little different of a format because I literally pulled this out of my bedroom and I like set it up right here so that I could have a cute little aesthetic background. I even put some of like my candles and random stuff up there. But today's video I am doing finally my fall Zara haul. Like, so many people have told me that they really wanted me to film a fall Zara haul because Zara has been coming out with like all this stuff. Like, I've been shopping at Zara forever. Like, I love Zara so much, and I know you guys do too. I thought I would jump on the bandwagon and post a Zara haul for you guys because I know that I'm sure everybody has seen these exact same items on other Zara hauls, so we'll see. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe. Down below, I do make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So I wanted to start off with this first item here. Now, I got these last season, last year at Zara, and these are the knee-high boots that they ruche at the bottom. I've worn these in a lot of my videos last year, and I actually got these on sale because of today's sponsor. So I actually used the app ShopTagger when I purchased these. So let me show you guys how easy this is. You're going to click the link down below and you're going to press get the button to make it a Chrome extension. Once you've pressed get the button and you've made an account with ShopTagger, you can start saving your items and saving some money. So for example, let's make a list. I like to make lists with the brands that I like. So today I wanted to show you House of CB. I know this is our haul, but I've been eyeing a couple of pieces from here. So once you go to House of CB's website or whatever website of a brand that you want to shop at, pick the item that you're most interested in. So I actually have this cardigan, but I wanted to show you guys because I got a lot of questions about it. You'll save the item and you can choose your size. I got it in a size small. You can also pick any price changes, 25 or 50%, and you can save the item for later and get notified when the price drops. But let's say you're ready to purchase an item. This is honestly the coolest part. It'll browse the web, like it'll scan it and choose the best coupons that would fit for you. So it's literally testing the codes, and I literally would have saved $9 purchasing this. Isn't that so cool? Honestly, if you are making a big order or a small one, just try your best to save some money this way. It's smart shopping. You'd be surprised as to how many coupons are out there. You just had no idea. So when you're shopping online and you see an item that you want, such as these boots right here, I saved this to my Zara wish list, and you can make different wish lists or categories that you want. I saved it there, and it gave me a push notification through my email that I had some money, that these were on sale and I could save some money off of these. So they were originally like $200 and I got them for $173, I think, when I did purchase these last year. I wanted to still feature them because I know Zara's doing a similar one this year. You can download it to your mobile phone. They have an app as well as for your desktop computer. ShopTagger is so easy to use, and I feel like if you aren't using it already and you love shopping, you should definitely check it out. I'll leave a link to the download link so that you can download it down below. It's super duper easy to use, and you do get to save so much money for items that you actually wanted versus shopping when it's like random sales and stuff. So check it out down below, as well as the link to these boots. But let's move on to the next item. Wow, my hair is crazy today. Because I love those boots so much, I decided to get the thigh-high version of them. Yes, I couldn't help myself because the thing is, I wore those so much last fall. Like, they were my go-to shoe. And I looked at these and I was like, why wouldn't I get them? I wore those so much, and I don't have a pair of thigh-high boots. They're so comfy. I had to sign up for the email list for these, so just keep that in mind. But they hit me at such a great length, and these were $249. I know, it's a lot. Like, this is so expensive. This is definitely an investment piece for me. I had a pair of Charlotte Russe thigh-high boots a long time ago, and I wore those to death, but the heels broke on those, and I was like, you know, it's time for me to just invest in pieces that are gonna last me, and those have lasted me so long. They still have such amazing shape, and I just thought I would get the thigh-high version of them because why not? I could wear these out to the club, I could wear these out to a nice dinner, I could wear these in the winter just to keep my legs extra warm. So I thought these were really cute. They are a little bit of a pain to put on and off, but It's no big deal. Now let's start talking about like these items here that you guys are probably more interested in. Let's talk about this cardigan first. I saved the tag as well because I was like, I like wore it one day and I like ripped it off and I was like, I gotta save this for the video. I got mine in a size small because it is kind of oversized, and I wanted to be able to wear it as a top, like buttoned up as well. So I did get a size small. This was $39.90, and it comes in 2 colors, I believe. This one and a baby blue. I am obsessed with this color. I feel like it goes so well with like a basic white t-shirt, tank top on its own. I mean, this length, it just hits me so well. It's kind of cropped, so it fits really well with like my jeans and everything. And I just thought, why not include this, because it's super duper cute, and I definitely think it's an essential for the fall. This item I actually never featured on my channel, and I'm only bringing it up because I don't even know if they still have it, but I just wanted to let you know about this top. I got this in the summer while I was in Korea, and I got it in a size medium. I know that they probably have some of these on sale, so I still wanted to feature it just in case you were, you know, interested in it. But I was just gonna breeze right through this, so I still wanted to include that. Next item I have is this Zara bodysuit. Now everyone and their moms have been wearing this bodysuit. I mean, I literally am obsessed with the fit of this bodysuit. They have it in a lot of different colors. I'm showing it to you here in the black. And I got it in a size medium. I feel like the medium fit me really well because of how deep this armhole is. I do feel like you have to be careful to make sure like your boob isn't like hanging out the side of it. So I did go for a medium, and it's washed really, really well. I will say that the clips at the bottom are quite uncomfortable because they're kind of bulky, I'm not gonna lie. They are kind of thick, so yeah, but I think it's held me in so well. I've worn this to events, I've worn it like just regularly out. Like, I love this, and I've seen so many people wear this as well. So if you haven't picked this up already, it's like $19.90, and I don't know why you wouldn't pick it up. Next, let's talk about this skirt here. Wow, I love this skirt, and I'm like, if you don't have it and you've been looking for a black satin skirt, like, girl, this is the one. The detail here, can you guys even see that? Like, it's got like a ruching kind of gathering in the side so that like your stomach looks really flat and nice. It's also got a little bit of ruching here in the back where the butt is, where the back zips up. It's kind of like a midi length, and then it's got a slit going up the side. And I know you guys can't see it as I'm holding it here, but if you can see in the cutaways, it is so cute. I love it so much. And I wore this to the Majuri event. A lot of you guys saved that photo, so I'm like, if you haven't followed me on Instagram already to see these pieces styled up, come follow me on Instagram, of course. Now let's talk about another bodysuit that I got this season. I got it in 2 different colors that I wanted to show you here. So I got these wrap bodysuits from Zara because, like, I love wrap tops. This is another wrap bodysuit. I love like anything kind of wrap kimono style. This is $29.90, and I think for a top like this, it's so easy to wear daytime and nighttime. And because I wore this one, like I wore this and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get so much wear out of this one. I decided to also get it in the black because, you know, when you're out and you don't want to think about your outfit and you just want to wear something that's gonna be flattering but also sexy, if you wanted to wear it like without anything underneath, or you wanted to switch it up for daytime and wear a lace cami underneath. Like, there's so many ways that you could wear these 2 pieces. With a skirt, you could wear it with jeans, you could wear it with leggings, like you could literally wear it with anything. Okay, and then lastly for this haul, I wanted to show you the leather jacket that I have worn for the last like 4 years, I feel like. This leather jacket here I got from Zara a long time ago, but I saw that they are redoing this exact same one. I get a lot of questions. When I worked at Victoria's Secret, I wore this a lot because we turned the air condition up really, really high, and I wore this all the time, and I got so many questions from customers about where I got it, and I got it from Zara. So I'm gonna leave a link to this one that they have for this season down below, but the style is the exact same, and I've seen it like on their bestseller page, so I thought I would still include it. But yeah, those are all of the items. I know it was a little bit short, and I know that you know, you probably wanted to see more, but I also don't When I shop, like I said in the beginning of the video, I don't like to purchase just for the sake of purchasing, or I don't like having items in my wardrobe that later become a burden to me because I wear it once and then I can never wear it again. So as you can see, they're all like neutral pieces. They're pieces that I could see myself wearing this literally like all the time, you know, until it breaks apart. So that's how I tend to shop. I look at an item and I really ask myself, am I going to be wearing this more than just this season? And that's how I kind of build my capsule, or just like a timeless wardrobe, I guess. And I try to be smart about my shopping. I also use apps like Shop Tagger that really help me save some money, and also like save the pieces and items that I really do want to invest in, but sometimes they don't go on sale all the time. So when they do, it's really nice to have that app to let me know through my emails and things like that. So that is the whole video for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys like this style of video and you liked this try on. Let me know if you are going to get any of these pieces. I'd love to see them. Come follow me on Instagram because I will be posting all of these pieces on there. But yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I love you guys all so much, and I can't wait to see you again on Monday. Bye!